Right. Now, here it comes the self-image psychology. As you said, I think I'm a brand. So here it comes the self-image psychology. What does it mean? You know, if people are asking you, how are you doing? You would be saying, most of the time we keep on saying, I'm doing just fine or I'm doing good. But in back of mind keeps on running various things like stop, give up, you suck, right? You are a fake. You don't know what you are doing. You are a failure. Nobody likes you. Stop trying. Just stop. So we keep on saying these things to ourselves. Yes or no? Sometimes.
Yes, sometimes.
We keep on saying this thing or not?
Sometimes.
Sometimes.
Sometimes it is.
Right?
Yes.
So, of course, sometimes.
Sometimes we keep on saying, and we call
Yes,
it
sir.
the imposter syndrome. Means self-doubt. We are having the self-doubt whether whatever I am doing that is right or not, whether I would be able to do it or not, right? And this is, especially this happens when we are supposed to take a lead.
Mhm.
Leader is nothing like this, that you are standing in front of 1,000 people and then you are saying something. That person is not a leader. We are not talking about the politicians. We are talking about the leaders. Right? Even in any situation, if three people are there, four people are there, and you are taking a lead, you are a leader. You will feel, you will see that in your family, that sometimes you are a leader, sometimes your brother is leader, sometimes your sister is leader, sometimes your parents are leader, sometimes small kid is a leader. For example, we are using the phone, mobile phone, and there is some new feature, and a small kid is around us, 8 to 10-year-old, and you are not aware of that feature. He or she can tell you, okay, let me tell you. That time, that kid is showing that leadership quality. They are able to lead the things. So normally, sometimes what happens, this imposter syndrome, it keeps on haunting all the time. Boss, whether we keep on asking, we keep on doing the self-doubt,
Decisions are different.
whether we would be in a position to do it or not. Friends, try it out. Yes. I think don't go into the detail of the politicians and these things, right? Yeah. So the thing is this, that leadership is something which will evolve you. Friends, this is a learnable thing. It's a skill. Leadership is a skill, and a skill can be learned. Anybody of you, do you see any uh, live concerts or reality show on TV? Have you ever seen any reality show? Any dance show or singing competition shows, reality
do.
shows,
We do.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you must have seen that there are number of times the participants, whenever they are standing on the stage with a mic for a singing competition, reality show, when judges, the panel, they are asking some question, they are not very confident in giving the answer of that question. But the moment they take any note and they start singing, they are damn confident. And once they are done with their singing, they get the standing ovations. So they are leader in their singing. They are not leader in other things. So that imposter syndrome, it keeps on haunting all the time. Boss, you cannot do it. Self-doubting is there. So we should not